Okay, so I got this little camera. It's an Akaso. And it's, from what I can tell, it's almost the same as a GoPro. But it turns out that its microphone really sucks. So, but it did capture pretty good audio of our vehicle, of our S480 in particular, in the first part of this video. Okay, so let's get into it. So this video, okay, is going to be about hearing what the S480 sounds like. Because I want to, obviously it sounds good when you're in the cab, when you're driving, when it drives by you, whatever. I think it sounds good, but what I wanted to know was how it sounded under the hood. So I got the idea like maybe 2 weeks ago, to mount the GoPro or whatever underneath the hood, somewhere in the engine bay, right next to the charger, see what it really sounds like. Because I remember when I was trying to select that charger, I didn't know what I was interested to see what it sounded like. So now, hopefully this video is helpful for people. If they want to hear what it sounds like, they can hear what an S480 sounds like. So the first part of the video is under the hood, and then I did a couple of, like, it's pointed at the exhaust, did a couple of pulls like that. So this is what the S480 sounds like.